This 2024 Miscellaneous Kropf Industries Lakeside 8104BK is a park model RV. It is located in Wabash, in 46,992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Miscellaneous is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8. The floor plan layout of this park model features bunkhouse, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.